You're wondering how to hook up a magnetic CB antenna on your Ford truck. I just so happen to have quite a few of these old Fords, and I wrecked the blue one. You can't tell that it's blue, but I stole the brake light off of it. It actually got broke when I was pulling the cab off, and I cut a little notch in it with a grinder, and I just took out the original. I'll show you a little thing, something on these that you got to watch out for. I just JB welded back across the crack. That's why it looks like crap. I sanded a little bit. It's just an old truck. It's actually a pretty nice looking truck, but I got a little bit on the light. So I just cut a notch, ran the CB wire inside. You can see her hanging there. I actually still ain't even got the interior light back in. But on these, this is the bulb that come out of the brake light. It's got like a little growth on it. It's burnt out, of course, but it's got that growth on it. And what happens is if you put your foot on the brake too long, you get this little melted water plastic. And you know what happens to plastic when it gets hot enough? It does that. And it also burns your sockets. So don't sit with your foot on the brake too long. If it's an automatic, put it in park. Don't leave it on too long. Even like the cargo lights get burnt. This one's actually pretty good though on the cargo lights, surprisingly. But the heat shield popped off of it. Why is that mouse chewing spots? This truck's set for a year. Maybe there's mice in the cab, between the two layers of the cab. That's weird. So anyway, so you can just throw your magnet down and run your cord inside. That's 10-foot cord. That should reach up to the dash where I'm going to put that my CB at. But yeah, so don't sit with your foot on the brake too long. Otherwise you'll burn the truck. So I just ran the cable through here, and I'll just tuck it back here, run it up under the seat. This is the interior light. Always get a lot of like bugs and stuff in the lens, so it's a good time to clean the lens. If this is faded, if you have just one of the plastic ones, you can spray with some like chrome paint or whatever you want. You can even paint it red if you wanted. Headliner instructs kids, so that's why I want to just put it here. So we'll screw the light back in. Just tuck it so it'll run back behind the window or whatever. Should work pretty good. Now, if I say I don't want this antenna, I want to use this one in the wreck, the cab pinched the bed and pinched my cord off on this one, so I don't have a cord for this. But yeah, so if I want to say I don't want that antenna up anymore, I can just take a little bit of JB weld, fix up that hole, and I never was there. That's a pretty good thing. Not about the plastic. I'll probably try to fix that one. I'll probably try to grind that down because it was a bitch to get out of the hole out of the cab. It was, if you look at it, it's up above it. So whenever I pulled it out, I had to really pull on this, and this is like 30-year-old plastic. So you don't want to break those unless you'll have to, because you'll have to get a new one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.